Today we are going to review the steps in using a directed drawing approach, and we will be applying that to drawing a teddy bear. Remember that we divide up drawings into straight lines, angled lines, curved lines, spirals, circles, ovals, and dots. We can draw anything using these pieces. In our last drawing, we started out using the eye as a place to fit everything around, and we'll do the same with the teddy bear. Now the teddy bear has got a curved line, like an upside down U, and if you put it at just a little bit of an angle, and then a line drawn between the two ends, then you have another one over here. Try to match them up so they're about the same size, and a dot inside for the pupil. Given that the eyes are here, the next thing we want to center in there is the nose. We're going to draw another slightly curved line and sort of a soft triangle, an angled line, meeting each end of the curved line. And there we have the nose. We want this bear to be a happy looking bear, so we're going to do something that looks kind of like a double fish hook. So we have a straight line, very short, coming down and then curving out to the side, and the same on the other side. Another curved line underneath there and centered right underneath that part of the mouth will give us a chin. Now we need to decide how large his head's going to be, and we're going to go for the top of his head. Another slightly curved line, and you're going to want to have it above the eyes, not too far over. Leave a space for the ears, and again another curved line so that it's kind of like drawing a C on both sides. Try to make them about the same, and a short line going down kind of even with the eyes, and then we're going to give him cheeks. So curve out a bit and then come to the chin. And on this side the same thing. Curve out and then back in to the chin. And there we have the bear's head. Now you can put a little partial curve in there for the inside of his ear. We'll bring that around. Now you can make your bear really fat or skinny or however you want your bear to look. I'm going to give my bear a nice big tummy. So I'm going to be drawing basically an oval. So there's his tummy. And he's going to have a bit of a shoulder. So partway down on his cheek, between this cheek and his chin, I'm going to draw a slightly curved line, and he's going to wave at us. So we're going to have an almost straight line and then a curve to make his paw, and then bring that down to where his body will be. So there he's got a wave and saying hello to us. Then we want to go around just a little bit, not straight, just a little bit curved, because there aren't too many straight lines on a teddy bear. And then when we get even with his tummy, I'm going to curve out a little bit for his leg. We come down to where his toes will be, and we will make an angle and then a curved line down to the bottom of his foot, a fairly straight line in, and a angled up, and then down on the other side, another straight line off of that angle, and his toes. And we can see this is where the top of his leg was on this side, so we want to come over here and curve back to where the top of that foot is. Now, just to make it interesting, we're going to have him holding some balloons. So his shoulder comes the same way as that one did, part way down on his cheek. And then instead of up, the arm is coming down. And it's a nice curved line. He's going to have a little fist holding on to the balloons. So we'll make a little curved line here for his fingers, and then around and meet that to the back line. And for his arm coming down here like that. And we can finish his side, bringing the line down to the top of his leg. When we draw his balloons that he's holding, we want to draw the one in front first, and then the one behind that, and we're just making circles, and another one back here. And you can put in as many balloons as you would like. He is holding the balloons from his hand, and they attach about in the middle of the bottom of the balloon. So we're going to make a straight line down to where he's holding them. This balloon back here, the middle is about there. So we draw a straight line down where it meets there. This one, the middle and the end would be about there. So you come down here, and where you finally see the string would be about there. So now we have a bear holding balloons. If you want to make paws with paw pads, you can make ovals on the paw that's saying hello. And now you can color your bear. You can put some ground under him so it doesn't look like he's floating. You could put trees in the background or anything that you would like. You can color your bear so that he's a brown bear with a white tummy, or a black bear with a brown tummy, or any way you would like. This is what the line drawing looks like, and here is the colored bear. And I hope you have fun drawing your bear.